Okay, my friends, get ready because this is going to be super amazing. You never seen a dish like this before. Today we are making fish fillet on a frying pan with some shrooms. It's going to be exciting. You will see this supreme dinner. So I salted the egg and I mixed it, and now I'm taking the fish fillet and I'm dipping it in the egg, and after that I'm dipping it in flour. We never did this before, so it's like breaded fish, except it's breaded in the flour for extra taste, extra softness. It's just super delicious. That's how I'm breading this fish fillet. It's going to be yummy. So the pan is hot with some mixture of sunflower seed oil and olive oil. After 5 minutes, I'm flipping the fish. Look at that golden yellow crust. It's so delicious. You're going to love it. Look at that, so amazing. And it's not sticking, by the way. On medium heat. After I flipped it, cover with lid. Now the shrooms. Turn off the fish after 5 minutes, cut up the shrooms and cook them on hot olive oil. Now pinch of salt, and we're going to spice them up. I have some Indian spices left, like I think it's a little curry. Throw it in there, and our favorite clove spice. Yeah, so I just cook it for like 5 minutes, mixing everything like that. Now the onion, breakdancing onion. Cut off the lids of the onion. Now cut it in half, and in the medium veggies, cut it up and mix it in with mushrooms and all the spices. Cook it for 5 minutes, then shut the lid and reduce the heat like to medium low. Look at the fish. Oh, nice. Service. Fish is ready. So soft, yummy, tasty and delicious. With some cucumber, so service. Now the mushrooms with onions. Mix them up. After 5 minutes, you have to cook them longer than that. So cover with lid again, and on a low heat, put them on low heat, cook for 5 more minutes. Look at that, looking delicious. They're ready. Service on top of the fish. This smells so good. Yummy, tasty and delicious. And I served fish over some of the stuffed bell peppers. Look at that. Let's try it. This is so delicious. Yummy. So good. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.